Testing. Testing. Are we live? Are we live? I think we're live. Okay. Okay. It's good. It's good. What's going on, everybody? Good evening. Good morning. Good morning. What's up? What's up? Give it a few minutes here. What up, Noel? What's going on, man? Peter, I know you ready. Oh, let's see what we got here. How's y'all's weekend? Did you guys have a good weekend? Anong ginawa nyo? Anong balita? Balita sa Pilipinas. What's going on, guys? Good morning, Mr. Regino. Is it Regino or Regino? What up, Mr. Jester? Good morning, guys. You guys doing all right today? Mainit. Nice, that's cool. Hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Oh, man. Regino. Okay, so you got that silent G. Okay. Nice. What's up? What's up? Got a lot of things to go over today. We got the new cheat sheet on a Discord channel that I want to go over, so that way you guys can. What's up? What's up, Brian? You guys all right? Ladies and gentlemen, if you are watching this and it doesn't say live on the bottom of the screen, it means that you are watching a recap. So go back to the channel and watch the live. My restriction pa sa Pilipinas, no? That's crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys once XRP breaks into these resistance here in this area. We should see the price target or hit the price target at 175 ish. So it's gonna be great, man. It's gonna be great. So the things that we're gonna be going over today is to kind of help you make a, I guess, better decision when when jumping into any, it doesn't matter, to any crypto. That way you can apply it. Doesn't matter if you're using mobile or laptop, PC. It should help you a lot more as a new, even as a new trader. So if you're a new trader, shout out to you for being here. You're gonna learn a lot today. What's up, Lex? Kumustang trabaho? Yeah, man. Naka-relax ako, man. I got to relax, clear my mind a little bit, because it's just been, it was a long week last week. Been putting too many hours in. So you got to take that time to just, sit back, man, and reflect, and come back, with more force. Same Padinko. Yeah, I got you. All right, man. Let's do this. Let's go over what's happening with XRP really fast. So XRP, this is a good thing. The longer this consolidation lasts, the more, I guess you could say, the more conviction that we're gonna have in order for us to move higher, right? So we could make this, our support line right here. And then if you measure from the support line to the resistance line, and then put that like right over here somewhere, should bring us towards that 175 area. So it'll be a 10% move once we break this resistance area here. So this is a major resistance area. It's the 702 on the fib level, right? So if you put this on auto, change that on auto, as you can see here, we are fighting this 702 level on the fib. All right. There are some good news. Actually, there is some news going around. Yes, that's the one, Mr. Zuniga. There's news going around right now where it's just it's just a rumor right now at the moment, but you never know. All right, so keep an eye on that, and be ready. All right, be ready. So we'll see. It's pretty much a what do you call it? Like some are saying it's a settlement on the horizon for XRP, Ripple XRP versus the SEC. So what's going on, Mr. Jomar Reyes? Kumusta? Kumusta na po kayo? Ladies and gentlemen, we do this live on Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. PH time, and 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. U.S. Central Time. So, yes, sir. Let's get it. That's good. Hope you guys have a good weekend. It's been a long week last week, so I decided to take a break. Utilize my day off Sunday. I wasn't really around much on the Discord channel. A lot of you guys were probably wondering, like, hey, where'd that guy go? But last night I was, doing a lot of charts and kind of like, trying to get the week ready for all the new traders that are still kind of like, parang hindi pa rin clear yung chartings, I guess. So what I did was I created like a cheat sheet channel on the Discord para makita nyo yung mga basic stuff, basic fundamental things that you can learn, things like that. Anong holiday yun? Anong holiday? Anong klaseng holiday? Is it like a yearly, like once a year type? Oh, it's Labor Day? Okay. So were you guys like off or something? Like hindi kayo nagtrabaho, or is that how it works over there? Like that's crazy. It lands on a Saturday, right? Kasi dito, it usually lands like on a Friday or on a Monday. Tapos, that you have like this yung mahabang yung weekend, long weekend. You got the 3 days off. Okay, cool. Yeah. Yeah, man, we get we get it on a Friday or Monday. Double pay if you work, huh? I get you. Nice. That's good. Double pay. I used to be like excited to work on those days because you get that double pay, right? You get I think time and a half or something like that. So if you're getting paid like $15, you get half of that. So you would get like what is that? An extra $7 something on top of their $15 pay. So that was great. 20 some dollars, 22 possibly. Something like that. But you know, those were you know, good days, especially ano sa mga sa holidays like Thanksgiving, mga ganon. 200%. Dang. Sweet. That's what's up. I like that. Maganda magtrabaho nun. Extra pay for the fun, right? Relaxed weekend, you know, you get to drink with your friends, right? Tagay. Oh man. Good stuff. Total market cap for altcoins, man, dominating. Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin dominance is going lower and lower. Once we get like below like these levels here, in this area, like below these levels, like this one here, and even here, I mean, it would go crazy. Altcoins would go crazy. So Bitcoin's looking good. Bitcoin's looking really good. As long as we're holding these levels here, you know, right above 56k, 57k would, you know, is even better. But so we have this really bullish candle now, which is a good sign for BTC going higher. Yeah, I think ETH, I think ETH will target, man, 3,400 or something like that, man. And then finally, you know, we could see a pullback on ETH. ETH has been, you know, it's been setting these, you know, all-time high on a daily basis. It's crazy, right? So previous all-time high was right here around 25.38 before it got, you know, before we had a pullback down towards 1959, and then a run up again, new all-time high around 25 or 26.50, then pull back towards 2100, and then continue on. Yeah. So it looks like, you know, ETH is targeting, you know, somewhere around the mid 3000s basically, so around maybe $3,500 before we see a pullback. We have this really big green candle here, so you know, see it, you know, been crazy. ETH has been crazy, man, dominating Bitcoin. Good morning. How do you say your name? Larry. Good morning to you. How's everybody doing? You guys doing okay? Kind of a slow morning, but we are getting there. Doge, man. Doge keeps getting rejected right here on this major resistance, right? So I don't mind seeing Doge. It would be very bullish of Doge to actually pull back towards this area here. That would be around the 32 cents area. Then, you know, it would create that next leg up. That would help Doge actually break this resistance and break this this major resistance right up here, which is the what is that? 45 cents area, right? So since we tried it 1, 2, and 3, 4, you know, still can't get up there. So a pullback down here would help it, you know, go up further. But the target price for Doge, if we manage to do, you know, all that, is, if you calculate, you know, if you kind of measure that, let's say it's just right there, 67 cents, somewhere around this area here. first sign of resistance, break it, kind of goes down and kind of play around here. Of course, it's gonna it's gonna work its way up there. Like, it's not just a straight line. It's probably gonna, like, take steps until it gets up here. You have ETH, nice. That's awesome. Yeah, I caught ETH at 100 and then $200. I've been in this space for a long time, 2017, and I've seen all these coins, like, at their lows. And even though hindi ako experienced at the time, pero I don't know, I sold some and then I kept some. So, I held a lot of them, actually. But the only reason I held them was because I got sick at one point around, I think it was December, January, 2017, 18 area. And I think I was sick for maybe about a week or a week and a half. And then I just, I totally just stopped doing crypto after that. I just said, you know what, I'm gonna I don't know. I wasn't gonna do crypto. I couldn't focus on it. I needed to do something else. So I think I ended up working somewhere. I can't remember where though. Pero I didn't pay attention back on crypto until like around 2020. Even though I looked at it once in a while, throughout the years, but I didn't really focus on, learning more about trading until 2020. And then it took me several months to learn charts. I was kind of familiar with, how it works, or, throughout the years, I kind of familiarized myself with how, at first first crypto and then the stock market and then crypto again, and how the price swings, watching videos, learning about, like, how things move, and how charts help so much with making decisions, and just helps you a lot. So I focused on charts while everybody else was just trading. I was different. I'm more of a technical guy. Like, I wanted to analyze things from a different perspective, I guess. So everybody else was like, oh no, I'm gonna do trading, I'm gonna trade, and then I'm like, I think I'm gonna get good at charts first. So I found different platforms to study. And then I don't know how many accounts I have now, but I have so many accounts just because I was looking for that perfect platform to use. And as long as they had really nice charts, lots of features and things like that, I can study them and learn about how to do charts. So I guess, yeah, that's how I got started, and learning charts, making my decision based on the charts. All the news and things like that, it didn't really matter too much to me because it just seems like lagi na lang tumatama yung timing niya sa sa charts, whether if it's bad news, it brings the chart down, right? Or brings the whatever particular stock or crypto down. If it's good news, it brings it up, but then on the chart it looks just like if it looks like it was a setup, parang ano siya, like, oh well, here's where this particular crypto or stock is, so let's bring out some good news, and that way it brings it up, and it's like, wow, it times it really well for some reason. Judy, I know ETH looks amazing right now. I know you want to hold it for a long term, but I would wait for a pullback. It's too high, too late right now. In my opinion, honestly, actually, like a lot of people are taking profits over here already, while there's there's people that are like, oh, it looks so nice right now. It looks good, like it's gonna keep on going higher. Yeah, but it's already way too high. You know what I mean? You have to wait for these pullbacks, pullbacks. You know, because that would be the ideal way to, even if you're doing long term. I mean, if you can, even if like, I don't know how much you're trying to get Ethereum. Like if you're gonna get like a whole Ethereum, then wait for a pullback. But if you're going in like part Ethereum, it's not worth it no more. You want to go like, it's like buying Bitcoin right at these prices. You would get less ROI for your money. Does that make sense? So you want to focus in on the smaller cap coins, kasi ano para siyang late na. Yeah, we could check Matic. A show. So I mean, same thing, same thing with Matic. It's on this pullback, or this, let's see, it's building this triangle now on a daily. So yeah, I mean, it looks bullish. This is good. It's good, but let's see what the indicators tell us, if it's going to pull back some. Daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 8 hours. What do you guys think? It looks bullish to me. I mean, good. So your buy entry would be right down there. So right now, if you were to buy, you would be buying at resistance, right? Yeah, no, absolutely. Keep bet for long term. Absolutely. Bet's bullish. So right now, if you were buy Matic, right, you would be like buying up here when you could be buying down here, right? So that's what today is going to be about, is where, like your support and resistance line. It's not all about just like jumping into something. You have to know these things as a trader. Even if you're a long-term trader, you want to get the best price possible, right? It's like anything. When you buy something at the store, if you can negotiate the price down, if they let you, then negotiate the price. It's like almost like buying a car, almost, because para siyang like let's say if I'm selling you a car and I'm selling it for $500, right? But to you, $500 is like, I think that's a little too much, coach. Can we get, I got like $200 right now, and then I'll be like, I don't know about 200, let's go with like 300. And then you're gonna be like, I don't know, coach, let's meet in the middle, 250. Right? So what if I agree with that, right? What if I agree with 250? So you would want to get like the lowest price possible. So these support and resistance line kind of help you get to the best prices. So you want to buy in at support, not resistance, right? So if I go pull up the, where are you at though? Cheat sheet. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo itong cheat sheet area on the channel. On the Discord channel, we kind of go over like the different things you need to learn as a new trader. I know some of you guys already heard this, but this is what's gonna help you with your trading. Especially if you're actively trading, learning these things. And this is just the two basic candles, guys. There's so many more different candles out there. Doji candles, butterfly, what do you call it? Dragonfly candles, the graveyard doji, the indecision candle. Then you got like the what do you call it? The hanging man candle or something like that. The three soldiers. Yeah, there's so many things that you need to learn about candles. Um, it's not as hard as it sounds, because once you actually kind of spend a little bit more, a little bit time learning these candles, then it will help you also with your decision, and when to sell your candle hanging man. Yeah, man, for real, that's a true story. There's all sorts of names, pero ano, man, this stuff helps you, kind of spot um when to sell it, when to buy, and things like that. Not just the support and resistance, like this here. You got resistance lines, right? Target the resistance lines. Kasi pag wala to, you would just think like, oh, it's going up. But, what if you're buying here, right? And then you got your resistance lines, and then all of a sudden, that's why when you buy, you hear, oh, when every time I buy, it dips, it dips, it dips, because your emotions are telling you, oh man, it looks good. It's that euphoria, right? No, man, it's for real. It's a para siyang yung I think you see Hangman when it's just like right about to drop. You know what I'm saying? Like you'll see Hangman somewhere around here, or when it's about to break out to the downside. Like kind of like here, for example, you will see like it's hanging on for dear life, dito, and it's just breaking out to the downside. But that's usually where you find it. It's creepy, bro. I mean, it's real. Look it up. Lots of volume going on right now, though. Korea and US, some parts of Europe on the XRP. But yeah, man, look. So resistance, 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 and then your buy area is right here. Buy area, buy area, buy area. Look at that. Sell, 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 right? Sell resistance, buy support. So you guys can always, if you're on Discord, go ahead and check out the channel, the cheat sheet channel, because that's gonna help you a lot. I even made like an example where we at currently, right? On XRP, resistance, 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 support, support. And it goes both ways, or it goes the same way for the ibang crypto as well, because they all pretty much work the same way if you're looking at charts. So the best type of what's up, good morning or good evening. The best type of trades are the breakouts, right? That's why the YouTube channel, just the way we focus on is breakouts, man. The breakout room. Pero yeah, your entry would be right here. Your exit would be like right over here somewhere, and then wait till you don't buy into inside the triangle. You buy right at breakout, wait for the retest, and then make your move. Oh yeah, I think who are you talking about? XRP? I think they already did. XRP are disconnected from Swift. But same thing here. Price projection is the height of the double bottom pattern. Double bottom pattern. Height. Price projection. Right? It doesn't go straight up. It might trade sideways. Things like that. But yeah. Trade the direction of the breakout. Stop loss right here. Okay. So that stuff is pretty easy, man. You got to use your support and resistance line. This is what kind of gives you a lot of the breakout patterns. Pattern here, ascending triangle, descending triangle, breakout to the bottom, breakout to the top, symmetrical triangle. This helps. So I would recommend, if you are on Discord, go in here and kind of kind of study it. So currently, I think this is where we are right here. It's the last picture when you look at XRP. Right? XRP is right here. Let's delete that. All right, cool. 15 minutes. Put that on auto. So what do you guys think? Don't you think it looks like we're right there? We're getting ready to go. Look at this setup, right? Look at this setup. And then look at this setup. Right? We're right here. Wave A, B, and then wave C, which is with A, B, C. Is that right? With A, B, and C. A, B, and C. Right? People that bought here are selling here. Right? People that bought here are selling here and taking profits here, the retest. And then are we going to see a move up? Does that make sense, guys? I hope you guys are getting this, because like it helps you make a decision like for yourself. I know like a lot of you are not like really into technicals, which is fine. But it's important as a long-term trader. It's really important. If you're hey, what's up guys? If you're gonna be a long-term trader, doesn't matter if you're day trading, if you're gonna be trading for for the rest of your life, if this is what kind of career you want, then you got to learn these things, I guess, or at least learn the basics of it, just to help you out, I guess, But if you're gonna be holding long term, then you shouldn't be like you should you should just buy, at least at the lowest price possible, and then hold on one second. All right, I'm back. Yeah, at least buy at the lowest price possible, and then just like leave your account, delete it. Because when you're a new trader, you just want to like, okay, you want to buy something, and then you want to like look at your account like every minute. I know that's how I was every minute, and you're like, I don't know what to do. And then when it goes down, you kind of like, I know this happens. This is what I used to do. I used to buy something, and then I don't see any returns for several days, and I'm like, what's going on? And then all of a sudden it dips, like it goes down a lot. So nagpapanik na ako, so binenta ko. Now I'm losing money. I lost money because I sold it. And now you're trying to go into another trade. You're like, oh, what about this one? Should I buy this one? And then all of a sudden that thing, when you buy it, it also dips. Right? And then now you're like, what the fuck? Like, WTF? What's going on? And then you get lucky, and then you buy into something else that finally, kind of helps you get your money back. And then now you're like, all right, well, let's stick with this one. And then it only goes up like a little bit, and then it stays there. And you're like, what's going on? Hindi na siya tumataas, ganon. But that's because like, you're buying at the wrong time, right? Not the right entry. And you're just kind of like jumping from one crypto to another crypto, hoping that it will help go up, right? It's not stable, it's not stable that way. You need to find like the right entry price, and then wait, right? So you got to be patient with these things. It moves slow, but then it doesn't moves. It moves fast, right? So you have to be careful when you're jumping in. Parang really wild bearish season. Yeah. Well, actually, in the bearish season, right? When all this is said and done, right? Tapos na yung bull market, nasa bearish season na tayo, bumaba na siya ng ng 80 to 90%. Don't ka dapat bumibili, right? Even though it takes several years para bago natin makita yung ulit, yung ang tawag dito, yung bull market again, right? The bull cycle. So your 2 to 3 years, 4 years of waiting is well worth it, right? You'll notice. I went over this, like, when will the bull market starts? Or no, I'm sorry, the bear market starts is when Bitcoin crashes and the altcoins rally, right? And then finally altcoin starts to go bearish, which means it'll drop 80 to 90% territory. So time frame wise, well, I mean, we will see. Usually last time I seen it was around December, January. So hold on to those coins, because if you keep on trading your coins, like, instead of holding them long term, what are the chances of you losing that coin, right? Or losing the money, losing, like, let's say 50% of your portfolio because you're actively trading and you're not really ready to trade those, right? And you're kind of like using your long term. Instead of holding your long term, you shouldn't be trading it, because what if eventually XRP gets to $100, right? And now you have, I don't know, like, less coins than what you started off as. But yeah, just kind of give you guys some ideas on that stuff. But then again, it's really all up to you guys. I'm just here giving you guys my knowledge of what I used to do and what I've been doing, I guess. You said DGB. DGB. Let's look at, they don't have it. Okay, so we'll just look at Binance. Let's go to daily. Auto. Well. Let's see what's happening here. 1 hour. 1 hour. Okay. Yeah, I would think. Let's see. It looks good, but I want to know, it's stuck in this range here. It's kind of stuck in this range here. So I would wait for it to see how this always bounces off the we'll just call it the purple MA or EMA. So wait till we meet this purple MA again on the DGB. You know, it's gonna meet like somewhere in this area before it continues, because you know then you would have a lower low and then a higher low. Like once it meets, let me clear that up. It's too messy. But yeah, wait till it meets somewhere over here. It's gonna come back down, and then you would have the lower low, higher low here. Um, that would be your entry point for DGB. DGB. Dragon Gold B. Um, what altcoins? There's a bunch, man. There is a bunch. Just don't get on Ethereum. Not right now. Ethereum is too late. Too late, guys. Get out of Bitcoin. There's no way you're gonna make money on Bitcoin. There's no way you're gonna make money on Ethereum. As you can see on Ethereum, 4 hours is already trying to. As I always say, you can spot these. You can spot these reversal coins or reversal coins. What the fuck? Reversal patterns. Reversal. What do you call it? Candles, right? So we could see a pullback here finally. And then you have a red hammer candle. Okay. So yeah. Yeah, if you want to get on Ethereum and if you can get as closest to 1 Ethereum as possible, then you can definitely see some profit. But it's kind of getting really late for you to jump in on Ethereum, just because you would only make, I don't know how much more it can go, but yeah. As far as value coins, I guess the best advice I could, give you is not a financial advice, but if you have a watch list, or if you build a watch list, focus on the ones that are, that have been stuck in this range, kind of like VET. It's been stuck in this, consolidation process for several, I don't know, since 17th of April, right? And then TRX is almost the same way. CHC has been stuck here. BTT has been on this downtrend. BTT should be getting ready to move sometime soon. Neo, I would not do Neo. Let's see, XEM. Yeah, I don't know, man. There's several mini ones. XEM, I mean, it looks good. That's pretty low for me right there. Soul, yeah, I wouldn't even get on Soul. It's too high up there. You can already tell just by looking at the thing. You don't even need to support and resistance. But build your watch list. I don't know what kind of I don't know what type of like tawag dito, yung platform na ginagamit nyo. You could just build a watch list and don't just, BNB. Yeah, look at that. I don't know who I told, but I told somebody about BNB. These, as long as it's above this price is here, and it will go crazy once it gets above this price here. So here's what it is. So I told somebody about this the other day. I said, as long as BNB can get above this this line here, then it's a good thing, right? It penetrated through, but which is already a good sign, right? But it wasn't strong enough at the time, so it needed to pull back a little bit and then retry again. And now look at it. It's gonna go even higher than where it's at right now. But anything above this price is definitely a good time to buy, because it's gonna go higher for sure. because it tried to break it, right? It tried to go here, but this one wasn't even close to being successful. So a pullback wasn't needed. And then as long as it stayed up on this trend, this upper trend, then it was going to try again, kind of penetrated through this resistance, and then pull back and then try it again, broke it finally. And then you're probably going to see like, one red candle and then continuation after that. Then you got ZIL. I think ZIL could be good. I really think ZIL could be good. I think this is more like this is a real estate type of crypto here. Zilliqa. Then you got Zapdos, Pokemon. No, I'm kidding. Zap Crypto. It's a little weird looking, but I think, let me see here. Let's go look at the daily. Eeh, what happened? What's going on? So, it seems like it's holding this support here, down here. Let's see if it had a bounce. It kind of had a bounce, but then it got, it kind of went down again. And then your EMAs are kind of like, kind of pointing down. So Zap is probably going to trade sideways right along this trend line here until it finds that ground, that big bounce that you've been looking for. The thing is with it though, it's been on this, still on this uptrend, but it's just, I don't know, it just seems like it's a slow moving coin. Yeah, I wouldn't even jump into it. XLM is good. XLM follows XRP. So you should have caught it right down here. But yeah, I would wait to go back down below 50 or even just at 50 cents. But, long term, it doesn't matter. You can jump in now long term. Coach. TLM. Let's look at TLM. I haven't even heard of all these coins yet. Like, this is my first time hearing about like these. Are these new coins? Are these like low cap coins? Yeah, I don't trade low cap coins too much. Unless I think, unless they have some kind of good news or something, or they have a utility that I might look at it, but I barely trade anything else. TLM. What is TLM anyways? Let's look at it. Hold up. I'm kind of interested to learn what TLM is. Talium. 3.2 million supply. Don't even have data on circulating the supply. I want to look at their website is not even loading. Man, the website won't even load. What in the world? Or is it Alien World? Which one? Which one is it? Is it TLM Alien World? Is that what that is? Blockchain games. Oh, this might be it then. So 391 million market cap, total supplies 488 million, 80 cents right now. Okay, that explains. Largest decentralized app on earth, play and earn Alien World. One of the fastest growing NFT. Okay, it's an NFT. Staked in Binance launch pools. Lifetime total miners, active miners. They have a Discord, Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, Trustpilot. Okay. Bought the game. I mean, if the demand depends on the demand. Trillium token. Let me see. Game creators. They were featured on Bad Crypto Podcast, Crypto Stash, Dap Radar, The Block Beats, Yahoo Finance, Cointelegraph. Their partners are with Binance, Moonwell Ventures. That's cool. They got a roadmap, which is cool. Where are they going? They are going to have Thunderdomes. Game NFT accident released. I don't know if be a bit. Galaxy future plans. Okay, all right. Okay, yeah, not bad. Yeah, not bad. Not a bad find. Hold it long term. Hold it long term. Since they have like not a whole lot of supply, it could go the price could go up steadily. You never know. But yeah, I mean with 488, but how many circulator? Oh, excuse me. But yeah, you see how the price kind of steadily moves up. Yeah, it's just due to the finance is the main holder. Okay. Yeah, man. I say go for it. This is cool. NFT. NFT is the future. Somebody asked something else. What was it? What'd you say it was? Sis. SYS. Syscoin? Is that what it is? Syscoin? Uh yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 67 cents. Up it. Binance. Is this another NFT? Blockchain. Let's see here. Transaction fees, hash rate, future proof payment, value transfer, sure NFT asset tokens, scalability, low fees, compliance, discover. Um. mm, mm, mm. Mm. Okay, that's the roadmap. Oh man. Um. What is this? A platform? Let's look at the platform. Developers. Or what is? What are they? Proposed system going to application layer SDK. Else, start developing, partner up, white paper, GitHub. I want to see their platform. Look at the news. Hmm. Oh, it hasn't. It hasn't even April 30th. I want to see some. I want to see something. Oh, it's not an NFT. Okay. Coin XD, Bittrex, exchanges. Just going wallet. Oh, okay. I see. This one moves probably gonna move slow. Um where's the chart? Let me look at the chart. Yo. This chart is crazy. What in the world is happening here? um this here, this trend here is it's kind of, they're trying to go up, but dang, that's a, I don't know, man. If you're gonna hold this long term, you're looking at like 5 to 10 years. I would hold this. I mean, look at this. Look at that huge candle. Jesus. And I mean the wick. Yeah. I don't know, man. I mean, yeah, no, like long term wise, 5 to 10 years. That's really what I see on this coin. Just, I guess, since it's a wallet, it's kind of hard to say, bro. Just hold it for long term. Syscoin. It's the, where is it? Total market cap. Yeah, that's why I try to stay away from like low cap coins. But you never know. You never know. One day, man, that's the thing about it. You have to hold it for 5 to 10 years. If you're gonna be trading these coins. So you have to be very careful too, just because SEC are gonna be cracking down on some of these coins that are low cap coins. I'm not saying Syscoin is gonna be one of them, but I'm just saying low cap coins are, um, especially like, I don't know where in the market cap this is. Doesn't even tell you 1 year. Like, let me see. Mineable, you can mine it. Proof. Okay, inflation. For Bitcoin protocol. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I would just hold it for a long, long time. That's what I would do. That's what I would do. I mean, think about XRP. I held XRP for 3 years, for almost 4 years, and look, this whole time, man, this whole time, look at this. It kind of reminds me of Syscoin, right? Just this trend right here, and then all of a sudden, boom. But it's the same thing, same thing. I mean, my goal for XRP was to hold it for about 5 to 10 years. But if I'm gonna see $10 XRP, then I'm gonna take some profit, right? Take some profit and hold the rest. The rest is gonna be my ride or die holdings. So there we go. All right, take that on auto. What up? XV. How about Venus? We'll continue to climb up. Venus. Is that it? Is that what it is? Ticker symbol XVS. Yeah. Take a look at that. Ooh. They kind of got up too fast, and now they're kind of like, some people are taking profits. Is what it looks like. I would wait on this because to see how this plays out. it's probably gonna act humihinga. Kaya. It's kind of like this, right? This run up here, right? This run up here was nice, and then it finally just cooled down, for or consolidated for how long? April 29th, for about a week or two, I guess. That's how long that took. So same thing here. It's probably it had this run up. It's probably gonna do the same thing, right? Run up, consolidate, run up, consolidate, run up, consolidate with XVS. Oh wait, let's see. Hold on, I'm sorry. I was looking at the 5 minute chart. Yeah, you're way up there. You way up there, girl. Um, hmm. I would wait for this to, since it's wicking. Look, it's wicking up here. That actually gives you the visible range. Where's the volume profile? Volume range. Oh, it's not. Yeah, so low volume. So what's gonna happen here is, I don't know why it looks like that. It's gonna be like this, right? We had this run up here, wick down like that. So wait for it to meet this. What is that? 200? No, 50. Wait till it meets the 50 EMA. So it's probably gonna work its way, while this is gonna come up here, and this is gonna go here like that. Yeah, wait till it meets here again, and then wait for a bullish engulfing candle to trade XVS. Make sense? Got it? um yeah, that's, I don't trade that no more, because this right here, this indicates sellers already in that area right there. People, they're selling this candle here. So wait for it to meet this 50 EMA, and then make your move. Mr. Lex was like, let's look at Wink kung buhay pa ba, or I think it's alive, man. It's alive. Hold on. Let me see. Where you at though? Yeah, dude, man. It's eventually gonna come back up. When, I don't know. But you did have this candle here, which which is gonna drive the price up eventually, but yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Just hold. If you have XPS already, just hold it. I don't mean sell it or anything. Just hold it. If you were going to buy into it, and then just wait till it meets the EMA. Oh yeah, no, absolutely, man. It's gonna come back alive eventually. It's probably gonna meet like this, and then something like that, right? Usually, that's what happens when it's about to explode. Is your EMAs will get really close to each other, and then kind of bump each other, and then boom. So just wait for Wink to explode. It's gonna consolidate a little bit more. That's what it looks like. Okay. Yeah, because I mean, this right here is usually is with anything. Anytime you see a wick, like especially on an uptrend like this, there's a lot of sellers in that area already. Especially 2 candles, 3, right? Same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, right? That's indicating sellers, and then same thing on the downside, right? You have buyers that step in, keep the price up, but it keeps going down. Buyers step in, keep the price up, goes up a little bit, but it still brings it down, and then finally until it meets the EMA, right? EMA bounce off the EMA for a little bit. So that's probably what's gonna happen. Is keep bouncing off the EMA, and then it'll move up again, just like what it did here. So move up here, kind of trade upwards, finally get a big bounce, and then meet the EMA again, up and down, upwards, and then finally make a big bounce. So that seems to be what's trending on XVS. Yeah. Yeah, it's that's usually what happens. Once you start seeing wicks on a especially on a daily basis or on the daily, yeah, you're bound to pull back a little bit. I mean, this is a big move. How big of a move is that? So from here to here, that's almost 100% move. Yep, 100%. It's bound to go. It's bound to slow down eventually. That's what it's. What's what it means. Ladies and gentlemen, we do this Monday to Saturday live, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. PH time, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. U.S. Central Time. If you have not, if you're new here or you've been here, appreciate you checking out the channel and supporting the channel. Like and subscribe to the video or to the channel. I would appreciate it. It would help us a lot. We do this for all the new traders that are wanting to learn a little bit more about trading. That way you can make the best decision possible when jumping into any crypto. We are kind of just watching XRP do its little thing, bouncing up and down off this area here. Wala yata yung background music. Oh, you found it? Yeah. No, today I don't have my background music. I haven't put it in. Oh yeah, no problem. That's what I use. Volume profile kind of helps you too. The visible range. I don't know why it keeps changing. Maybe it's just the way um maybe it's because of this. Where's my I need to choose. Where is it? Where is my I don't see it no more. I'll have to fix it. But anyways, BTC dominance and total, yeah, look good. Ethereum looks like it's pulling back a little bit now. Yeah, the BTC is looking really good. Retesting this broken resistance here, and then we should see it move higher. And then XRP, we're still waiting for something here. I think sometime by the end of this week we should see something. We should see XRP move higher. What else you guys got? Oh, BNB. Yeah, we were looking at BNB. Yeah, we said that BNB was very attractive. Above this price here. So I think this was like last week. If BNB can get above this level, then it would look good, right? So it penetrated through the resistance and then pulled back a little bit, and then finally retested that resistance, broke through. You are going to, I don't know if it, let me see if it retested yet. It hasn't even retested yet. I mean, it's up to you what you want to do, but I'll be waiting for a retest for that, for that resistance before you jump in. And then resumption, right? But then again, it's up to you. If you're gonna hold it long term, hey, you're long term because you already know that it broke out, right? It broke out, and then that would be just your decision whether to wait for a retest, and then it'll eventually go continue onwards. But that's usually what I like to do is wait for a retest. But then again, that's just me. Look, it's looking good. BNB can go a lot higher. I think BNB is gonna go to $1,000 this bull cycle, maybe more. But my price target for BNB is 1,000. 1,000. Let's see. Yeah, bet is looking good. Anybody else got one is looking good. Hot's good. Matic. Anybody got Matic on their portfolio? Matic ran up, man. I can find it. There it is, right there. Look at that run up on Matic. That's crazy. Oops. Yeah, I think Matic is very bullish. We might see it hit. We might see it come down, but if it's very bullish, we could see this play out like it's building like some kind of flag right here, something like this, or it could be like this. Depends on how bullish it is, but just like anything, it still has to come down, retest that EMA. So then you would have something like that. Let's look at that again. Like the sideways trading until it meets the EMA, right? And then finally go up. Oh, trillion. If you're looking at trillion market cap for XRP, it depends, man. It really depends. Lawsuit and the regulatory regulations. So if Ripple XRP is successful with the regulation and everything with the SEC, trillion market cap could arrive within the next 5 years. Within the next 5 years. Oh, more than that. It could go a lot higher within the next 10 years, especially 10 years. But if you're gonna go with trillion market cap, I mean, that's a big digit for XRP holders, which is good. Brings the price up. I'm a big XRP holder, so I'll be excited. Can't wait until XRP finally moves dollars instead of cents. $100 XRP next week. Oh man, I wish. I really wish, man. But we might see, we might see 10 to 15, maybe 20 sometime around June, July. But who knows? I could be wrong. We might just see 10 to $13 this May or June this year. and then we could see like a drop back down to like $3 to $4, and kind of play around there for the rest of the year, and then have a really big move towards the end of the year. I guess towards the end of the bull cycle. So yeah, it's gonna be great. So I think there's some things too that you have to keep in mind. I think this is almost just like, it's just like the stocks. Things are priced in already. Things are just priced in already. So Ethereum, I think Ethereum is already priced in. Dang, Ethereum is at 3-1. What was the all-time high? 32. 3203. And remember what we were like saying? Like there's this reversal candle right there. So, and now look what it's doing. Reversing a little bit. And then, we could see it go down and meet this. It has to. I mean, we could see it pull back, or it could just bounce off of this what is that? I don't even know it, but 20 AMA. And then continue, but I want to see a pullback. That would be nice. That would be really nice. Ilang market cap ang need para umabot sa 10 USD XRP? Market cap? I don't know. I'm not hindi ko alam yung calculation niya, but it's gonna be, hold on 1 second. 1 second. What is this? I'm trying to get that. I don't know. It would be a lot though. It would put XRP top 3 again. That's for sure. Let's see. Where's my So right now, what do you call it? BNB is at 101 billion market cap. So that would mean it would either catch up to Ethereum's market cap or put XRP as the number 2. Yeah, 2 to 3 years is no, 3 to 4 years, I'm sorry. Yung bear season. So yeah, it would put XRP right around at the number 2 spot or number 3, but it would catch up to Ethereum real fast at $10. Eventually, the higher XRP goes due to its utility, and the more adoption it gets from institutions, right? The more XRP's price goes up, the more attractive it becomes to institutional buyers. and then as well as the utility of XRP, then just the more use case for XRP, then eventually, I don't know, it might be flipping Bitcoin at one point. I think XRP was number one at one point when it was at $3, and then it fell. It was there shortly, and then it was top three, top two number, and then top three, and then it went all the way down to top, like maybe top 10, like 7 or 8. But um, but yeah, a lot of XRP holders have been waiting for this moment, for XRP to take back its position up here. So I'm not saying XRP's price could go to 58,000. That would be crazy, but it could, as far as market cap goes, it belongs to the top three. Yeah, if you can, I mean, you can calculate that. That'd be great, because I don't know. I suck at math, man. Math was my worst subject. um, yeah, no, seriously, like I really suck at math. Um, XRP 159, yeah. I want to see XRP run, man. I've been excited like all this whole time, ever since XRP started making this run. Man, my excitement is all time high. How much is it? What's it gonna be at $10? 454 billion. Yeah, you see. Yeah, it would flip, ETH real quick. 362 billion for ETH at 3 grand. So yeah, I imagine that's what it would be. And that's nothing. I mean, really, that's nothing for XRP, because the only thing that's really holding XRP back is the SEC thing. All right, like, so once so investors already feel confident about XRP. It's just, official. They need that official letter, the official document, um, for investors and institution to to feel more secure about their decisions, right? It's just like, um it would be with any crypto. How do investors feel about crypto, right? In general, I mean, that's the reason why Ethereum is going crazy, is because it's just people feel confident that ETH is, has some use case, even though, yeah, it's expensive, and the gas fees and all that stuff, but still, it's, people are holding this for long term. Dogecoin, oh snap, hold up. Doge's the same thing, Doge is, even though, yeah, it's a meme coin and everything, but still, it's gonna rally here soon. That's what it looks like on a 4 hour. It just needs to break above that level there. I don't know. We'll see. We'll watch it. We'll watch it. We'll watch it. Look at that. Get on auto. We'll watch Doge. Start breaking that. We'll watch that level, and we'll watch this level. So that's what it is. Once SEC and all that stuff is settled with Ripple and everything, then yeah, Doge is rallying. Doge is rallying. um, is it May 8th? No, not even May 8th yet. Is Elon tweeting? Anybody check news on Doge? No. Who was about to, are these men helping China through an 10-cent deal? And group Alipay. Gary Gensler called XRP what? A currency, which is it gonna? Do you think he's gonna take back his words? So keep that in mind. Coinbase reactivated XRP wallets. Good news. Warren Buffett all time advice. No news on Doge, but Doge is rallying. Once it passes through right here at 40 cents, and the next price target would be 42 cents. And if it breaks any of these levels, dude, Doge is gonna go crazy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Those can go crazy. Pump it. Yeah. Even though there's a lot of good news with XRP, still there's that it has to be official, signed and documented for XRP to go like a whole lot higher. I mean, you're looking at like 3 digits eventually, and then eventually 4 digits. And then 6 for sure, maybe 5. Did I miss anything on Discord? I looked at it last night, but let's see. Put it here on the chat. There's a lot of new people joining in on Discord. If you guys don't mind helping me welcome everybody. Just whenever you see somebody join, just tell them, like, give them a warm welcome so they feel welcome. But yeah, XRP to the moon. Are you here? Ano po yung buying point ng XRP? So XRP's buying point is like, actually, man, I'm still waiting for XRP to go down like towards here, and then that would be a really nice buy point for me, at least. But then again, is it gonna happen though? That's the question. It's coming to, like, it's getting real close though for something to happen with XRP. No, that's not what I want. Indicators, there we go. On the hourly, on the 4 hour, the daily, and the 5 minutes, and the 15 minutes. We could see a bounce here soon. Yeah, we could see a bounce here soon. Alice in Wonderland. Daily. Ooh. Interesting. Let's see here. Ano yung website? Is it? Oh yeah, my neighbor Alice. $17 must have like short supply. Circulating supplies 17.4 million. Total supplies 92 million. Max is 100 million. That's why they're at $17. But it's on the downtrend. Let's look at this here. 90 days. Okay, year to date. Yeah, they're new, huh? They're new. They just started trading around 3. Okay, this year. Who holds the most is Binance, Bit, Coinbase. So they're on Coinbase. My neighbor Alice is a game. I think it's a game. Become a landowner. Oh, build your own home in blockchain. That's cool. Yeah. Okay. Could be popular once all the kids kind of get into it. The market open? Yep. The market is open. Crypto J. Paris. Ventures. Islands. Nifty market. Alice token. This is pretty cool. See what happened in here though. July. Multiplayer. That's pretty cool. Long term, definitely. Keep it for long term. You'll be happy with it. You'll be happy with Alice. Ethereum technology. Steam. Nice. Yeah. Keep it. Alice is good. They're integrated with Steam and Ethereum. Okay, then. I get it. Well, same time, I understand a certain number of players. This is pretty cool. Do you play Alice, Danny? If it's a game, play it and experience it for yourself, and then make your decision from there. But it seems good. It seems legit. It's 1 billion, not bad. Yeah, no, definitely play it. See what you think. But it's not bad actually. I like it, especially if it's in the billions of market cap. If it was in a million market cap, I don't know. I would be a little iffy about it. But as far as circulating supply, it could go a lot higher for sure because it's limited. It's not like you got your crazy 1 billion market total supply and all that good stuff. It's yeah. I think it's good, especially if it's integrated with like Ethereum and Steam and all that. So Steam is a big game community. So uh, so we gonna see a big bounce soon. Soon maybe. But then again, keep an eye on this area here if we don't get a bounce real soon when it comes to XRP. Oh, we were watching Doge. Look at Doge. I don't want it on auto. There we go. So it pretty much hit our levels here. So we'll see. This is on the 1 hour, so let's go to the 5 hours or 5 minutes. So you can see it's kind of pulling, retracing or retesting, right? Yeah. Ano yung isang yung level na we're waiting on? There it is. So we can mark it. Oh wait, we're not. Where you at though? Where you at? Let's see if it'll reach. Yeah, I mean, I think that's what they're eventually going to do. They're gonna burn some. That would increase the value of XRP for sure. Russia to disconnect from Swift. Yeah. Buy Swift. I think it's gonna keep on rallying. Since it broke past these levels here, next price target is right here. 42 cents. You could see a flag form somewhere around this area and then continue upwards, but oh no, absolutely, man. The demand for XRP is even greater once SEC loses this battle. So, who's it gonna be? So far, it's looking good. I mean, especially when you got Gary Gensler on the chair who called XRP a currency, then you can definitely just, I mean, the whole thing is the bottom line is a settlement will have to be the, you know, um the result. Settlement. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now 8:37. Yeah, weird number, right? But if you're new here, welcome. Thanks for coming and watching the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. We do this Monday to Saturday for all the new traders to learn. We're all about education here, and all we ask is for you to subscribe to the channel. I'm thinking about something regarding Discord. I know. I'll announce it later. Actually, I'm not gonna announce it now. I'll think about it first. Oh, Doge is running, guys. Are you trading this? Are you guys seeing Doge right now? Dude, it's crazy. Why is my always messed up? POC or volume. Yeah, okay. Big volume here. What up, random stuff? Toda. Let's look at Toda real quick. Probably Toda. What is that, dude? Is that even a coin? Oh man. Okay, it's not done yet. If you guys are just watching this, you can tell right here that there's buyers, and then especially when it came down like that, buyers took over real quick. Getting close. This is the big resistance right here at 42 cents. So we'll see. Dogecoin. Um, oh, did XRP have drop? Yeah, it did. I think it did. Let me see. 5 minutes. Yeah, XRP drop, which is good. Now we can get rid of all those sellers. You can see with this here, the point of control is we have a line here, so this pretty much acts as a support, right? So anytime you have this line here, the prices will always be attracted to this line. So that means it going down here, and we should see another bounce. Actually, here we could do another line. That line right there. That should hold it. Right there. Boom. While Doge is bouncing. Can you guys understand this? There you go. Take it off on auto. Volume's dying on Doge. Hmm. Is that it? Is that all it is? It's wicking right here. But let's see, we're indicating where is it? Volume. Visible range. Yeah. We'll see. We need Doge to trade sideways. Move higher. We went over Matic earlier. Let me see. We can go back to it real quick. Matic. I think we were saying Matic needed a pullback, or I said we needed something like a, or it was doing like this, or trading in this within this flag right here. So I think that was that on a 4 hour. Yeah. So yeah, on a 4 hour. So right now, this point of control is this line right here is trading below the point of control. So that means now this would act as a resistance. So you would need Matic to come down a little bit more. So it's probably gonna come down right here. Right here. And then kind of try to break this point of control again. Up here. So you could see it come down, go back up, maybe come down again, and then eventually break out to the upside. Matic is bullish. Matic is very bullish. Yeah. Same thing with Doge. I guess Doge is not, I said I wanted Doge right here, but it pretty much broke out of um this resistance retest right there, resumption, and it's trying to go for this level here. So that's where Doge is at. We had a little drop with XRP, so we're gonna have to readjust a little bit and put it right there. So once a resistance line or that line was pretty much broken, it's invalid. You call it invalid. So you're gonna have to wait. See how the point of control is that line right there. So this would act as support. So we would have to adjust the resistance line above this right here. This is on a 4-hour chart, so you would have to wait another 2 hours for a next candle up to open right here. But as far as the 15-minute, yeah, you can tell. So far it's holding right here. So what we need is for XRP to kind of just trade within this until we see a breakout. Yeah. Further consolidation. No more, nothing too exciting. Let's see. But everything else looks good. I think Doge would be good. Good trade. IOTA. Ooh, I haven't heard about IOTA in a while. I like IOTA though.